welcome back to my channel, Life with Pete. In today's video, we're going to cook up chicken marsala. The ingredients that I'm going to use tonight is flour, chicken, shallots, mushrooms, baby bala mushrooms, salt, butter, marsala, chicken broth, garlic, and a chunk of lemon. Now I'm going to add some salt to the flour and some black pepper, fresh ground black pepper. And I'm going to mix it well. And then you drench your chicken in flour. You can press it down pretty good so that it stays on. Okay. Now I'm adding some olive oil. Now we'll cook the shallots and the garlic. But we don't want to overcook the shallots, and we're going to add the mushrooms. And you don't have to cook them for very long because they come back later on when we are done the chicken. We need to brown the chicken, and after that we'll put the mushrooms back. Now I'm going to add some white wine. Now the pan is hot. I'm going to add some olive oil and add a few pieces of garlic. I'm going to turn the heat down. What I forgot to mention earlier is each time you handle chicken, wash your hands. And I put the last piece of chicken in. Now I'm going to wash my hands thoroughly. Then we'll let it fry for about 3 minutes per side. Now it has been cooking for almost 3 minutes, so we'll start flipping these pieces. And they'll start to turn nice and brown. Now that it's browning from both sides, now I'm going to add a little bit of chicken stock. Now I'm going to take the garlic pieces out there brown. Then we'll get the chicken stock ready. I'm going to add some flour. Because you want a thick gravy. That's what, this is the reason I'm doing this is so that it doesn't get all lumpy. You want to make sure that it's well mixed. Then you want to cook it at slow temperature for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to add the rest of it, the shallots and the mushrooms as well, and then we'll let it thicken for about 10 minutes. Now that it has been simmering for about 5 or 6 minutes, we'll add some fresh parsley. It looks beautiful and it tastes good. I like the color of green. Now it has been cooking for 10 minutes. It looks like it's done. Gravy is thickened nicely. Now it's time to try it. Now I'm going to take a piece, put it in my plate, add a little bit of gravy, some mushrooms, now that we have it in the plate, now it's time to cut it and try it. Try and take a piece of mushroom. Oh yeah, it's really good. It needs, in my case, it needs a little bit of lemon, so I'm going to squirt just a bit of lemon over it. But it tastes really good. Thanks for joining me today, and hope to see you in the next video, and please subscribe if you like what you see.